Hi, welcome to A-Grade Garage Doors. Quick video on how to program new remotes into your TM80 or TM60 seep garage door motor. Now it's really easy. You just need to take this back cover off. It just tilts down and you'll see two buttons, a red and a black button. Now you need to hold this red learn button until you hear it ticking. There you go, your light starts blinking, you can hear it tick. Now push the button on your remote you'd like to operate your door, and it's all done. Now your remote is now ready to operate your door. Nice and easy, you won't have to pay for a call out fee to get a technician to come out and program in your remotes. Thank you very much, have a good day.